Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Let's get real for a moment. Rejection hurts. It's that sharp sting in your chest when you hear, no. It's the sinking feeling in your stomach when you're passed over for the job, the project, or the person you wanted. It's the voice in your head that whispers, you're not good enough. Sound familiar? Of course it does. Because rejection is universal. Everyone feels it. But here's the thing. What if rejection isn't the enemy? What if it's the mentor you never asked for? Here's a question to sit with. What if every no is just a step closer to the yes that will change everything? Think about it. When you face rejection, it's easy to feel like the world is against you. Like you're standing alone in the rain, wondering why you even tried. But what if that rain is watering something inside you? What if every no is pruning you, shaping you, preparing you for something greater? Let's be honest, rejection doesn't feel good. It feels like failure. But here's the truth. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every great story has moments of rejection. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a phenomenon. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. Steve Jobs was fired from Apple before returning to make it one of the most valuable companies in the world. What if their rejections were the very things that pushed them to greatness? Here's the hard but beautiful truth. Rejection isn't about your worth. It's not a measure of your talent, your potential, or your value. It's just a sign that something wasn't the right fit. And that's okay. Because every no clears the way for the yes that's meant for you. But here's where it gets personal. How you respond to rejection defines you. Do you let it crush you? Or do you let it fuel you? Do you see it as a stop sign or as a detour to something better? The choice is yours. And yes, it's a choice. You can choose to let rejection be the end of the road, or you can choose to see it as a redirection. Here's a challenge for you. The next time you face rejection, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is this trying to teach me? Maybe it's teaching you resilience. Maybe it's showing you a new path you hadn't considered. Or maybe it's reminding you that you're brave enough to try, even when it's scary. And here's the secret no one tells you. Rejection is a sign that you're trying. It means you're putting yourself out there. You're taking risks. You're living boldly. And that's something to be proud of. Because the only way to avoid rejection is to never try at all. And what kind of life is that? So, here's the question again. What if rejection isn't the end, but the beginning? What if that no is just the universe's way of saying, not this, but something better? What if every rejection is a stepping stone to the life you're meant to live? What if the pain you feel today is the foundation for the strength you'll have tomorrow? You don't have to love rejection. You don't even have to like it. But you can choose to see it as a teacher, not a tormentor. You can choose to keep going, even when it hurts. And when you do, you'll find something incredible on the other side. A version of yourself who's stronger, wiser, and more resilient than you ever imagined. So, what will you do the next time you face rejection? Take a deep breath, stand tall, and keep moving forward. Your yes is out there, and it's worth every no along the way.